Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to use cinematic mode and all of its features with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, you're going to want to open up your camera app and then find what you want to take a video of. I'm going to take a video of this tree and I'm going to flip my phone horizontally and I'm going to tap on this tree to keep it in focus. And if you tap the F in the top left, this is your f-stop, which is essentially the amount of depth and blurriness that cinematic mode will use. If you bring it the whole way down to 2, that is the maximum amount of depth that you can have. For this video that I'm going to take, I'm going to adjust it up to 4, which will slightly decrease that kind of extreme blurriness that we have in the background. So now if I take a video, while I'm taking the video, I can adjust what is in focus. So I'm adjusting on these trees in the background and then back on the tree in the front. Now I'm going to go to edit this video. And whenever you go to edit the video, you can change anywhere in the video that you want to change the focus to. So, and you can even see down here these yellow dots where we can see where the focus already changes. So I'm going to go in here and then change it so that the focus goes back to the tree. And as you play through, you can see that the focus changes. And that is how you use the cinematic mode on the iPhone 13 Pro.